Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this brand new exciting Audi RS3 carbon black Sportback S Tronic. It comes dressed in the stunning and eye-catching Kyalami Green, sure-to-turn heads when on the road, and to the rear you have the privacy glass, adding a touch of mystery to the car's profile. Standing on 19-inch alloy wheels with the 10 cross-spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear you have the stylish leather upholstery with the green cross stitching, a centre armrest with 2 cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, the iconic RS embossed logo, and front centre armrest for extra comfort and support. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. Connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. If you like listening to your playlist, then you'll love the Sonos sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps. For wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive, or Comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below you have the dual zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay powered up with the 2 USB charging points and Audi phone box with wireless charging, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox, an electric parking brake adding modern flair to the car's profile, and with a 12-volt charging point and 2 cup holders for those morning coffees. This brand new Audi RS3 is now available and on site. For more information, please contact our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.